In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Gemini as your default assistant on Android. By the end, you'll have Gemini ready to respond whenever you invoke your device's assistant using the same gestures and buttons you're already used to. First, make sure the Google Gemini app is installed on your phone. Open the Play Store, search for Gemini, and install it if you haven't already. If it's on your device, check that it's up to date so everything runs smoothly. Having the app present is what allows it to appear as an option in your assistant settings. Next, head into your phone's settings. From there, go to Apps. On many devices, you'll see an option called Assistant, or sometimes Default Apps, where Assistant lives. The exact labels can vary slightly by device and Android version, so if you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Assistant to jump straight to the right place. Once you're in the Assistant area, tap Digital Assistants from Google. This screen controls which assistant powers things like your on-device assistant overlay, voice queries, and contextual help. It lists the available providers that can handle assistant features on your phone. Now choose Gemini as your preferred digital assistant and confirm the switch. You may see a confirmation prompt explaining what changing the default assistant means. Go ahead and accept. On some devices, you'll pick Gemini from a list, and on others, you'll see a Use Gemini option or a toggle. When the change is complete, Android will route your assistant shortcuts to Gemini instead of your previous assistant. From this point on, you can access Gemini the same way you've always triggered your assistant, such as with your device's designated gesture or hardware shortcut. If any permission prompts appear the first time Gemini opens, they're there to enable features like voice input or on-screen assistance. You can review them carefully and adjust permissions later in your system settings if needed. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. The names of menus may differ slightly depending on your phone manufacturer and Android version. Looking for apps, default apps, and assistant will get you to the right place. If you don't see Gemini listed, make sure the Gemini app is installed and that your system is up to date. Availability can also depend on region and device compatibility. That's it. With Gemini set as your default assistant, you're ready to get contextual help, answer questions, and streamline tasks right from your Android device.